Hey guys, Brian here. I'm at Hollywood Studios. I want to meet my daughter here. She's over at Magic Kingdom with some friends, and we're going to try to ride Smuggler's Run. We haven't been on it since grand opening of Galaxy's Edge, so we're going to try to ride it for the second time and ask them if they'll let us be the pilots this time. All right, let's go on in. All right, well, this is Brian. I'm with Emily. We are at Hollywood Studios, and we're going to go back to Batuu. We haven't been to Batuu together since the grand opening. Yeah. So we're going to wait in line for Smuggler's Run and ride it for the second time because we only rode it that one time. I'm going to ask them if they'll let us be the pilots, which I don't know if that'll be a good thing or not. Yeah, we'll find out. I don't know if that'll be a good thing or not. What if we can't fly it? Exactly.
No, I'm a good pilot. I know it. I know it in my heart and soul.
All right, well, let's find out. We're on our way to Batuu.
If that's part of a plan, you need a better plan. Well, don't let us keep you, traveler.
And this, like, gives me goosebumps every time. I mean, that is so amazing. Oh, man. This is crazy view. Emily, look, the engine's lit up. It's gonna take off. Oh, wait a minute.
Welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome. What a fine position. You remind me of me. But without the boundary on your heads. Recognize a few of you. You've flown for me before. I can't believe you made it.
We are pilots. Oh my gosh. This never gets old. Oh my gosh.
You're going left and right, you're going up and down. Down is up and up is down. So if you pull back, you're going to fly up, push forward to fly down. Okay. You're also in charge of hyperspeed, you're in charge of the brakes and the booster.
Oh, I get to punch it.
My gunners, you guys are going to shoot at anything that shoots at us, okay? My engineers, you're going to hit any buttons that light up to repair the ship from damage when these two pilots crash. You only have 4 seconds to hit those buttons. If you don't hit it within the 4 seconds, we're going to start losing points, and then we're all going to yell at you, okay? Fantastic. Head all the way down the hallway. Good luck. We're not going to crash.
Oh my gosh. I can't.
A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all.
This way. Make sure your cargo is off and on the floor in front of you.
For your safety. Oh my god! This is freaking awesome. That was our first time flying the Falcon. I think we did really good, Emily. I think we did really awesome. I think we were successful on our mission.
Yeah.
We are good pilots. It's good, yeah.
Yeah, I didn't use the brakes at all.
No. And the wait time was right on the dot. It was 1 hour on the dot to get in to see Hondo. So the wait time outside was accurate. I was afraid to be the pilot because it's a lot of pressure.
We were good. We were communicating well.
Yeah.
We did everything correctly.
We were good.
It's like, the look, he was like, you're good.
Well, it's easier if the pilot and co-pilot are together and know each other because you can coordinate.
Yeah.
If you're strangers, you probably don't communicate as well.
Yeah.
And, you know, everything gets messed up. Well, that was a lot of fun. It's totally awesome. Oh, man. Well, here we are in the market. It's a little after 9, and the park closes at 10, and it is empty. I've never seen it like this. This is really nice. Wow. I've never seen it like this before. You can really walk around as opposed to be like in a mob. You can enjoy it a little bit.
Green rice though. So it looks blue, then it's green.
Here we go.
It looks blue to you, then it's green. Yeah, no, the lighting in here is nice.
When was the last time I walked out back on the front? That's on the way out.
I've never even noticed these before. Like, I guess they're like toy speeders. A toy speeder bike. Well, this is definitely the time to be in Batuu. Well, we just left Batuu, and now we're in Andy's backyard. And we have a fast pass for the swirling saucers, and Emily has never been on the saucers, so it'll be her first time. I've been on it once, but I was by myself, and saucers is a lot more fun if you're with someone. Well, we have fast passes for swirling saucers, but it's only a 10-minute wait, which is a walk-on. It's about 9:15, so I guess with Fantasmic and everything going on, you come over here, you can get a lot done. That's probably why Batuu was so empty. There's the saucers. This is a really fun ride. I really like it.
Command, this is Sentry. All clear for now. You enjoy your day now.
So what'd you think of the saucers, Em? My hat's crooked. That's how much it spun us around. I'm a little dizzy. You a little dizzy?
No.
Not dizzy at all?
I'm I have a strong equilibrium.
Well, it was cool. I wasn't expecting it to be Christmas. And I never noticed the DJ over there either.
Yeah, he's DJing out here.
Yeah, that's a fun ride. All right, we're going to get in line for Slinky Dog now, which we've only been on one time, like over a year ago. You've been on it twice? Oh, yeah,
I went one time without you.
Oh, I've been on one. She's been on twice. But I haven't been on that since maybe like almost a year and a half.
Yeah, it was like when, like near, I don't know, when did it happen?
Yeah.
It was a while ago.
Not long after it opened, yeah. All right, let's go to Slinky Dog.
I'm Slinky Dog. Now, for your safety, remember to stay seated with all your parts and pieces, heads, arms, feet, legs, brains, and paws, inside the vehicle. And keep an eye on your little toys.
Emily's giving me a hard time because I want to ride in the first car. I have to ride in the front. I'm terrified not to, so it's the way it is.
Okay, this got some bumps here, so hold on.
I got you. You make sure you hold on.
I'm choking. I can hardly
we're
breathe.
going backwards.
Emily, this is on so tight I can hardly breathe.
Oh my gosh. Put your hands up.
No.
Put your hands up. Put your hands
Hold
up.
on for Mike. Hold it.
Put your hands up.
Oh my God! I think I might have bruised my stomach because I had the lap bar so tight.
The lap bar was so tight on him.
I didn't breathe the whole ride. I like held my breath. 2 minutes. Yeah,
Oh
2
my
minutes
gosh.
is the ride. I could not get the lap bar any tighter.
That was wild.
I had it as tight as it go, and I was
Andy's
holding on.
backyard.
Yeah, yeah. I love it. This is, to me, this is the best coaster.
That is.
Yeah, this is the second time I've ridden it, and
The way the turns are timed is amazing.
Oh, yeah.
Everything about it is perfect.
yeah,
Everything.
yeah. It's my favorite coaster. You know, because I don't know why, but it is. Well, it's after closing. We have Andy's backyard almost to ourselves. Not a lot of people here. You can't get online any longer. We just got off of Slinky Dog just a minute ago. And these are all people leaving Slinky Dog. It's really nice when it's so few people here. I'm not used to it at all. I've never been to Toy Story Land at night, and it is beautiful. The park has been closed for 38 minutes. Still a lot of people here, but I'll tell you, it's so peaceful when it's closed. There aren't that many people here. Oh, Tower of Terror crew. They look kind of creepy, don't they? I tell you though, I get a little deja vu. I feel like I'm at Universal Studios a little bit, don't you? Seems like that way a little bit. Well, we got a lot in a short time, okay? We rode Smuggler's Run, we rode the Saucers, we rode Slinky Dog, and, you know, both of us were at different parks today. Emily was with her friends at Magic Kingdom all day.
Yeah.
I was at Epcot all day, and then we came here. And I gotta tell you, I've kind of come to the conclusion that Toy Story Land and Batuu, Galaxy's Edge, are best at night.
Yes, I would definitely agree with that statement.
Yeah, they look better at night.
Yeah, they're less crowded. Less crowded is more important. Yeah.
Yeah, and then when the shows are going on, the ride times drop like significantly. That's how we got so much in. But I think in the future, I want to try to come to Hollywood Studios at night.
Yeah, definitely.
You know?
All of the lights, like on like in the main, like what is there?
Yeah.
Like the main like crossroads. Everything there is so pretty at night, and there's so many photo opportunities. It's amazing. Yeah.
In fact, especially Galaxy's Edge and Toy Story Land, they both are so much cooler at night. They look better. I think they're like made to be seen at night.
They have so many lights. Like you gotta go at night.
Yeah. Well, listen, guys, make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell. All right. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.